Eri Shootout Juma Diraba, Ababe Ramu Kama Pretty Mera Mountainianta, causes a Nema de Dadia. No, I remember PJ Muna, Yeri Diaka to us. I'm on the Shootout, yet say and Koma Yedino, a Fisem on Kwani, Babari Dun Koma, a Boma Bibia Daddy Pretty Mera Man, so Nimo, Yereni and Bobo Baba for Nosoka Cransana, Bomodin, na and Semna Cano, Etimi Eromo Etimiada Amadia Pacho, Dr. Baumies A. Age media no so about Nababaze on Sompa na 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yambwa na chese ukwere bia no nine edi ramu no nsiane e bomo de djumadi no e baba be ramu za Dr. Mahmoud Baumia e prezene ye to abayi no na Ghana ejuma pa no shase e bo etimi ade maye as a vice president no beba na wa baba dan pipi amanyuku na na bibia e de dan ato ababa be yi no so no nemra emma mema mpinyi nti nei ne hyehye po de aba ne mo de guna kwan mo no eni juma pa odi no ene ye obomo dia ukwere bia no nine ere koko ramu no nsiano eye live eboa ma hu ntitim no ebeba ba betrance na omabomode na samre no yetimi akansempa no ama nso no oye babu na wati bi na aboa manema deda ye pretimi edi amantu ukwere bia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. live on Sompa TV, Sompa FM Kumasi, Sompa FM Sunyane, Sompa FM Nkranza, Nyana Afitera 1 TV enso ewa Accra ye bomode na Baumia ano erametimi ama 21st kenek maka era chozo mo ye expert in Siatica na ye kan yana konfonti ase wanze watrans ya che ama to asinti no netwetwon atwetwon awramo so echi bebi ewramo 92 bebi zo anhwe entimi entu anamo a na ageze kwa kofa okesi bia da brewa ni nyina mo ne mo amantoto ye nko yie kra entimi emfa mantimi pacho ko na koko ramu na ye hwe na ye mo na entimi hwe unze ne wanton ya unya nu adro ti ne ye maame ne ye papa mo a ye amukodwom a mo trase che no wanse sisie no edura mo to ase wona hyase atwetwetwo bia ba kwa ye hwe na ya bo ano 21st kene komona be na ye timi aso ano kama pa etimi era amazanza wanhwe anso ano dabi no o baba bebubu a ebi so awona akoba na bi etimi asofie ntitu anamone embo enye no nko ne how bi awo bia ze ya ye fruit so baba besi una ase no ye bre ne abo etimi aso ano de ama bidro nkoten e kan pe no wanzampa eye adwuma eboa ma wagia na so ani se me wom ne se omo laba okwa de bedo so anwu sere how ne tie ya abo etimi aso ano de ama na scan services no omobo mode etimi ye Friday bi after work no to form aso ye na kokoje massage ni bi no e massage chechire nchipa na massage mu deni nyina ze ye miemia wo twetwetwetwa na moja no edi efusane nti wachi ayo ya ena afro sisi ayo ya edu bebi a wonan ayo ya wona ntuni ade ni nyina bre na etimi efio no mabomode de machine treatment no etimi aka 15 branches ena Ghana atwedi ehia bebi ano ye bo adwuma kuma so pomo a ehwan overseas junction no mo ebre na for radio oboase council quarters kojan shubenyo mo Accra orwani chemo dome market wa unyo na sunyane nkranza ena techima antifana mbai na nkomodi bia ne omonkasa 0249 311 0249 311 0504 na 0540 311 0540 311 niambwa na niamande da ye kama pa entimi enfama na hihye no enso koye enfama drinks no eye mienu pe eno an ya bobo boema anwode sonkom ye ba eba beje na so etimi ebo adwuma na bako any mixer 5G yere abamba ni nuaba odo na ena abomode etimi aye etunye bi na abo awunzampa edamu shonko a eboa na ababesie kama pa na de ma na ye dene se ene mixer 5G no cafe sembia ni mo ebesa mo ahode shonko ezanze Ghana ewo ma na jeze nei no omo madwada no enya Ghana ni bi no omo ba eboa epegya na ntetepa ene o grapes wo ma uyam ni ma no ebema na ye djuma na ntoto na koye etimi edi ama ye ojensi wo ma eyi ntini ma moja no edi efusa and I feel so you greeting woman and Nanisa Diana body shape no unyane kama pa man shisheno and the ye pray to me air mamuntia no air mixer 5G or more and I did miso fruit drinks aba organic fruit so unye binabwa uzapa emwe demuso do ezanza mwapi etuba unsampa esheye papa diaze anwumre bi awabo moden etimi akwa nante kakra ababa berufie no so kondo zoba wo modena wetimi edidi ani nyina mo no yehwe na ya yesa antoto ye na etimi era ma ye de ma gba obonsi besu wo pepepe na ama bibia akuyera mantia ye na aba abadi nto na aba de dodo na aba be hiem no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks no na also obo modern e serve a wo na na be boa madwuma de no kama panti fa number 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 Nembwa na shisheno ko ye pretimi afama manager Daniel all 21st kene kan overseas so obejibi na Mama Esther Adomni Asundwe Junction Watra Baptist University Ebuakwa no ojibi PNC Ventures no anomanje taxi station Opsi Charity Hospital obejibi na Nasachi Enterprise no odo wadi chemu asafo abinchi a Opsi VIP car park no ye boana ne ma de ye pa etimi era manantata so no ma men concern mu na men ko nyenkonko din koma odo wani chemu ludo grade rat grada ho na Ghana ni ba ye friend Bena Tekpete obomode etimi abo ne juma na metete ti se wie no monpe boboko na rama omone ludo grade 4 no edidi din komo se ne ma de dia kayenja no nomra ema me journey omone omonso no entimi anya juma onze wanya 25 years ne contract no akabe se 11 months na aba na wie ye edo omugidi se obehia se offer wodo na aba na omo transit din komo na ebeboa ye ja Bena no ko nyekoko jamno no soro etimi ekoko bo juma tipe report no HS Bena Tekpete anhwe na bibia de dia monpe boboko no be journey omo all the French Ligue no ne omo Abu ejuma na nema dadi pa etimi edi amoma na ntoto no enso etimi akoyie pa edi amoma na net ne yenya nte as a former King Pfizer Orlando Pirates okokubo ejuma de Marisburg United idi no ye friend Kwame Pepra so ramo India iri okwa akokubo ejuma netimi na club ye from Kerala Blasters na wo sere ho common isiete ene di rama contract no wa bomode etimi sign a until 2025 no oramo the India League no akwa ejuma na boama hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi edi amoma na ne ene yede tu wani so do wani ko ekoko kochemo ewo division 1 ni ma still super cup no eguso a ekoso ano ayedempa na nyambo ochena ye bomode na day 2 no etimi ewramo na sedemu nkomo no esietie no 1 pm pepe orwani chemo Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex a call for you sympathy e trans no mo ene pando Heart of France etimi eraboni after no na host team 4 pm no Nation FC omo so no ejom na so ne 11 wonders boboko no etimi eraboni na aboa ma bibia adaye kama pa etimi di amomo yera so agema ye bomo didi dinkomo on club issues no Accra to folk come so ne training no ne koso opobiman enti American cheso mu new sign player your friend Michael Ampedu e bomo den e report here to join ya Ozampadu ne gina street for no so a ohwe no de ne ma toto na kwamu pa etimi era ma team no na nation no amankwa ba fi na e na woda enti on bomo den abede no ye di edema na se na feeling etie
totally. Sompa sports. I feel honored to celebrate with my brothers, I would say my family, their support that we have reached this far, and I appreciate their support. Yeah.
Until no ye no na chese the birthday boy na tis ampana disem no or the era me boama to twene ko ye pa etimi ede mama na nra na e ka NCC ne ko koko rumbo mode afefe de e ma krobia komasi asante koroko na after sen komodi no e rum no Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum e bo mode da NCC na che no chi odin koma wodo na wechi na se na se da no or the era mo
yada eradiase se wahyehyɛ saa ɛda yi ama yɛ nyinaa ya bɛhyia te sɛ abusua baako ɛsan so da mase sɛ yɛ ho dɔnti mafa nsuo aba sɛ mobɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ yɛ ho teɛ ɛne sɛdeɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ ɛsan so da mase ɛwɔ nsuo ɛne adɔkɔdɔkɔdeɛ a mɔde abrɛ sɛ yɛnom na ahoɔden bi a ɛbɛhwere no yɛnsan so mfa nhyɛ anan yɛni so na amayen nkenya bi ɛwɔ yɛ mu sɛ nea yɛyɛ ne sisi no yɛbɛyɛ amana sensa Sompa sports nhyira mu nyinaa yɛda
Petia no ye konwane obomode timi ade to dwa na NCC no era obomode timi adoma se said that massive support ne remo ere amon after no odin koma akra ere fa ne first exit no enzo zo di kambae ere omba beji league no no jejuma no ekoye na ne wasen aba eno so nkomoze no di ere fa
megidi se menkoye no bebiri na anya omode na em se abisi sabri menka anwa asemiya na menya madwen se meka ho bibia efise kotoko no eson bo mame ene mabusua me pese me gina sa kwanya we so na me de tumu anim se bra me ba kane no ne kwanya me fa so a me koye sa anyo bi de mesra mo se me fa ncheme me san so gina sa kwanya so asra mo se awo sa kwanya ni mu amun se me fumu bi a on fa ncheme me ye nipa e bia na edu ba bi no eso na bia be nya abotre ama me mo ntina bibisa e bae na me nim se ye nyina ma ya ye nipa na mo ye papa nom ne ye nuanom ne ye wofa nom ne ade ye bi se be nya akoma baako na
Eltia no ya command your bomb the etimi refan in abo hamane amadadin pa no echi obaba berama training no o resere ni mesi kwa odidi nkomo fa ASA na e okumase a o rebe possible bi o makwa kuro mo training no eno so se no bomb the edin nkomo no fa
mante bebre e wo ye pese ne se bia every week bia no se adomdom ya betimi akwa bia tonsu na akwa training ba ko ho akoba ntema akwa ba ko e be ko baabi sa ni nyina ne se mo atim ne yemo dia ne pese di tim ne den ebrem na mo se di atim ne den etie na me gidi se ne sa na e be ma tim na ya kono ne be yanika tosu mienu kumasi.
All right, here no ye command ye bomodina e ramna bwana tutu na da ye pa etimi edi amamana ne bibia timi e kosoa o resere nhihye ne sie tie ne ma na sie kwa Alisa hotel ho ne bomodi ma vet no etimi e koso na anopa no mi e de show timer the Ghana Football Association president e bomodin etimi e kokoko ramo kwa ene de no after say kat yes okraku ewie yo pie no me hwe kakra time na opie no after say wa bomodin etimi akwa event na ewie no di opie no na uze no session no na momenti akra Until no your time I said the Ghana Football Association president Abomodi Aveti no Alisa Hotel Abomodi Koko ne die na munkomo no Abomodi dia to after no odi nkomo akra na say no Abomodi kan nsem no
assembly team preaching amen also assembly o ma yenti assembly what I say you preaching game change was assembly papa assembly
Eltia no ye komo dia to yaje asem no ya asempa ye momode na ye new komo madodo na uzampa ejuma pa de obobi ebo ahama ne amada ye pa etimi edi emomontie no ye game changer and also then komo no ababa be rama ye re to je etimi edi amana after no and it was Uncle George Efriye ono so aba ne de no na eramizan zo mamienu na ne omoba ababe pre na so ye resere ne masiti
you're fine.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
Eltia no ye de ne urwani chema Lisa Hotel Jepene etimi course na maba ababe bobo so kama pre etimi edia mawa honsem no erame etimi rama Kings a enso ye dwuma de kese no so etimi course live on Sompa FM Sompa TV na munkomo no ene se honorable Kennedy Japan MPR ma Central onzo yo de for oyobizo ya adoye pa tini potemo no en afi Ghana nyina nema oye ne yade ano eden na Kings a no o transidi di nkomo echeye mebunu kan ebefa so bobra na aboama ya baba be so no eno echi no ni njuma pa na obo mode etimi eno no danadi e madodo na etimi ehuntimi pacho eno nso no eye Fridays na je firi bia no nine abo kokosi senunsia ebebo no ne transbo mode team no ere Kings a ne ramunti uofia na watwe abo radio no TV no na wabo mode no wa TV zanze munkomo no yade ebebo ama yen mabru no ahyin kran wa brabo na ne ma da yi petimi ramani na no ene so be nya ye mo ase ebekwa akwa akota na echi ya to aba yi ne se MPP amanyoko no ono na emra beda no na niema de dia 2024 no ye to aba Ghana waba aba be man pinyin waboa ama hye na timi akoye tijumade no ebe Fridays bia from 4 p.m. around 6 p.m. live on Sompa TV Kumasi, Sompa FM Kumasi, Sompa from Nkranza na Afi Sompa Sunyane na abwana tutena dadi ere amount Ramuna TV na man dadi performa abe heba clinic makase mamia be jumadi amame ni dini ne ma odi ram no ade ano edem papa ni nyina nze di jumadi no wote abiro nkuto ero bomo de etimi ede kanwa ebo ama nso no timi jan na so nti boys no ze ne wanya sa ha we ama na mboto na amame ni timi emboa ze wade no fon na efon esu ati ama girls no ekasa di tia kwa obebo modern transition na yejuma from Wisa to Beam Nation emu ayedu waja na so abojuma na nema dadi mpa etimi era mana so yenyi no na yem prostate no so ye kese wan rentimi andodo na ntu ana ma dabi no ye de bibi kwa akoto be mani ma ya na eha dwen kakra ni nyina obebo na watimi aso ano de ama se ye de bibi tu be mam ni di onyame mpangu obegina na so kneme na wabojuma low spend count ere awai go bibraba ni na nze be ma no poso emposo waboma de no mfa nzo no obetene de asho ba na ebehwem no na jaze kwa jiriman ne hunsuo na agene kakra ni nyina ma me ne be na waboa na wetimi aso so baby girls no maka zemoma baby ncheche enya akono ebane sa asundwe etimi abafie na wagya wona so etimi aboadwuma pa ezanze ne enkofo de ahamu obebi gye ade wonkwan de no odekwa na ageze ma galawis ya na aha dwen kakra ti obe no waboa imfi obetwa yopo nana ba no obesa preso obeba na waba be gya no na so na watimi aboadwuma na ne ma dade abi da ma bosome so obunsa odentiamusa na afeso namiare edunya eno nso krechi no eno bacteria infection obe na waboa na etimi aso ano de ama hania eha dwen pa ni no etimi to ase na twa ya ba ko a o de fa mamia be na so ya na je so be pia de ato bebi kra na aboa ama nso no wetimi ejan na so seka sounds asem de mame no edamufo a ni nyina nso obu adwumaden a ama na nkwada na ye ka se ntwum be fum no enye no kre no manya nkwatenten omo nso no ejuo mo na so omo eye adwuma ebo ama bibia da ye pa etimi ede ma omo nturi ekọ nyame nam no so awon adwuma nko a e no ye nti seka test no ye scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site o be na apatrapa junction 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 niambwa na ne mande de performance o madaroma ene baba betramu ye djuma komia ye ramu kakra ne hwe nsema bobo de ba no na nyendwedwura mu didi mu koma.
I'm very much surprised with some of the club owners in the come for some who dealings with players on contract ebe yeah, they are so to form. And we say Kofi Agbesima wanya ntu kwan. Wa ba woni house of work training. The contract ne nyam we fully say a we totally ba. There was a little bit of agreement between Agbesima ni Bechem United and ka contract no kwa komo nya den. Omo twema bra wo tu kwan no. Now Bechem is requesting for a huge amount of money when it comes to Kofi Agbesima from Accra House of Folk. The same thing is happening between Adriana Stars and Bechem United on Francis Trene.
The same thing. Aka Francis Trene 3 months contract. Aka 3 months on a contract so. 3 months na aka no Bechem United is demanding a fee of 100,000 Ghana cedis. Abu, on said the reason why most of your football people near born it told be a normal bemabu, no more who says Campbell near say they don't see the business part of how a city run football. But sometimes egos a change the amount of money at the end of the day no. Mabu there be also mutimi consider the pros and cons. E also mutimi too baby. Ahano egos he play a massive role. Yen any day player na so one extend it. Yes we are born in abo opa menko opa betwa mentwa na 3 months ne so a whether so work club ni club so bet na fie. And e tira sem de. And na nipa konatena. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Hurricane now can say 1 year. Yeah.
Tottenham for Tennessee. Now who value player change Tottenham ne Hurricane? Who value player change Tottenham ne Hurricane? And so omo Tennessee adwin hu say there be Hurricane. Surprise they told us say 120 billion pounds and they 100 billion pounds no. Enyenya. Aka no 1 year. Etienne Tiswana ne famra ebia 86 million pounds which is around 100 million euros. No mo gina de aka no mo nche na add-ons in fangu so. Nobody have told you to leave your player for free. Obianka said Jama Agbesima go for free. Obianka said my Francis Training go for free. But when you look at the market size, any the way a football city Okroma say no, there's no need so bet na so at kokotako e was kebia nim say club no club no bobro so a club ni ntwea na obi na obetwea for that player. You look at the market value of the player within the current system, you look at the contract length of the player, then now they are to say me manage na 3 months and me can say okay, say at least these are egos and at the end of the day is the boys who suffer. Me
program 1 year players no contract duration no time on a year ban a year no. But I will sign contract in a season no. At least about a year also about a year time and season I end. But who did you say we want your margin so more extended on tournament enko or tena in a season and a contract bit me just or train for some months and Sunday be obey me movie away day. One movie diminim says you know bet me be biya for one. Even him say football contract be an bend the June me boy.
No correct. It almost sign contract almost the footballing years seasons and they sign but they are the antisa and those things in and also what na no mo hwe ne sesan because I have boys in the pa ne sesan nyina because these are boy model to players so me nim so faso. I'll be very honest to be chim United we also nim faso bonus so do adai move on mon pace ke bi na mon nyina players ne nkonom ko bomb career. Nobody is in support of Hasufu, could be in supporting Bichim. But you look at the market value, you look at the duration of play and your manakano. Then you what the business be better kakra. Let's put egos aside. Move for egos in Tonchain. And I'm share the future of the player, I'm share the future of club. Niskano Kramoje Krana. Say we crop 1.5 billion now. Wait a minute, your maka, oh, mama 1 billion, and I'm 80,000. Abesima, oh, it 1.8 billion, mama bear 1.2 billion. Okay, fine. Ya just can na budia be academy enu but we can get you players. I bet remember players be 2 be and I mean say from division 2 division 1. You take them there now the ma kwa adwuma then you place them. Na afi na betwum tete babu nsama yesa so tete ne yesa baba ya asan makuma asante kotoko. Na me hwe be o free ba any the impact when you working face a team nima Abu he was one of my best players for Kifesa last season. Or no ana this player o call media mai. Fast player. Bature. There were 2 key players within the setup. I must commend them. Say last season, no more money, no more pijaki face them. Anytime we move dimbiano, they try and push and make sure say, nyoma betimi akoye ede ama eki face for niti abu. Baba yaya, kumasa sante kotoko. Let's see. Say this time around, on baba kotoko strictly number 10 player. Ama nyoma akoye ede ama mwanti. Baba yaya. Mababa ekotoko sign na Abu Dhabi ni hwe ni mu se bibia betuto di amaneoma etimi ashase akoyi ediama club no kotoko have always gotten one way or the other one skillful player within the setup no a very silky swift talented gifted okutabo obetimi afine maneuver the way through tight spaces and keep
me say abara ma men corner me ni Emmanuel Jesse to ahene tizere na wodi nkomo no be Chim United o mo kasa ma fo no na on clear ne ma bi ma Imana bibia boko there
Biabo komnia.
Ezia ima weze ye to nka che kakra.
No kropa Janams me en so kakra ba isi de biabo komri.
Preseason no chance here bechem se na neme siko. Mo chance ya che. Na makoma be how many days ni?
Me nya medas na edi ka me chief we te du me dey. Because so far we be e ko kama. Ya preseason no de akona ni ma yenya a new head coach on so to be at the kama the mind. So far so good. I'm not telling you that camper will be a boama be at me. So far the maker said preseason in name we're looking at the new and then even the old players.
But na yet in Komobi's ne Kofi Agbesima yerim say last season I'm captain Ejuma wa born war league in experience and also ye papa no money transfer gentleman agreement zene wenya foreign contract bia na mo terminating a contract senka onko non konko je no but it is in as no na farmer ne how to full for na e training ma ho sem na enwan ni ade minim asem na nka ze sanity
minia utie commodity the conversation that we have with the players. Now we had wanted to keep him to be in the best interest of the club. Oshe Modema Kofi Agbesima Adaneti for Bobo na we were hoping thank you everything keeping in that 20 meetings, but the player wanted to move on because we are on the see a camera Bobo for about 6 seasons. So we thought it was okay if that's the case, I need to also consider certain deals ever on board. Then look at the Ebeboa, the player, and also the interest of the club. As at now, the young concluded on any of the deals, notwithstanding of the number of a few weeks left on his contract. But we are still hoping, say, before the deadline, we'll reach a consensus.
Sports.
The contract is expected to end on the 30th of September.
Nanti hat in common I and I know Enyano Crown. I'm only out to full phone and a trini.
What have you said? Yes, no Caribbean.
No Caribbean names are with money out of full training.
David.
Is there preseason Yamuye or report all?
We preseason started Abusima Eba camp and then the colleagues by training for some time until say started the negotiation period and now. Because we've not reached consensus in it, we've allowed him say he has to be on standby and then teams ranching and then yeah.
The Ima is there Kofi Nankasa or he?
Kofi will be chief.
And I yellow crosses are one and transition gentleman agreement be as a more terminating contract and say and conquerman on it.
David. Yeah, we had wanted to meet his requirements and I can't not be team their mind. But okay, you're not on board now. Quite difficult for us. So we thought it was then you have to look at other options.
The banner say if you kakrana and I say bosume kakrana kano. The one saying I mean next action anything.
So if he does.
Hello, Ima.
It's quite interesting with the
very interesting.
Question now, Obusa and answer line a drop in. Me penny pass and case any and money to us, mamia. Mabukabemi de ye pa. Senko and Saya Dena or Mobile. Now we know, sir, Abesima is also requesting for some amount of money from Between United and Sanwa Committee. So for 30th September, Abu is not far off. It's not far off. You all guessed. It's literally a couple 1 month. And then some it is always a player. Me Bechem no so one. No Bechem no need team in training in preseason. That is what surprises me.
Sompa Sports.
Oh Bechem no need team in preseason.
Oh, okay. Imana mi bisaze edi. There's a ban as a Kofi years on to Asubima. Me minim dia mobe edi afao. Come on, very na. Hena yenye na yensan kona yenko ko yiwina yene no intimi ento aso na bibia ande da dinti yere etuma e besan ko was there kono clear ne man e kono o clear ne man nyina ma ye na yenya ni nyina kama
na me say minim sa agosima tu free kan be dru be chem we did the last bet 3 hours there 2 hours there
etuma pe ima e dia rote menka
Beton cover the
Antina mi bizaze they born say or extend there then am obey.
Yeah, so make us already he has made his intentions clear to us. After spending best 6 seasons with the club, he want to move on. So yeah, share how you'll be able to finalize negotiations with clubs normally interested in him. So if probably he has to move, then we allow him to. But here, Nanki Benya. Capable of homework requirements and I say the proposal or the action and keep it to meet Senebaya. He continues to build the club, but already now the Camilla who said we want to move on. You only have to look at the options that will come on table. Then we are heading about between any Kofi Abisma in question. Then yet me finalize or conclude on everything.
But out of work, Abraham official is all open.
Of course, has requested for 4 of our players. Konkoni of which are possible. Kofi Abisma, Emmanuel Ano, and Emmanuel Avonyo. But the Mitimakas and Commodity now we have to food again. And it's not only hard to food, that is where sometimes it becomes a bit difficult. And then has and Kwana I express interest on in Kofi Abisma. The other clubs also outside the country almost are expressing interest in. So when it becomes like that, it means as a club will also have to compete with those kind of teams because the highest bidder that always gets the fair share of the cake. That is how we are looking at the situation at this point in time.
But I might demand 1 billion be now player can a contract be 1-2 months. The 1 billion as a man no eduana bibi's uncle.
I'm not yet mean person did the exact price tag never trouble, but 1 billion for Kofi Abisuna Nyadia, I think say too extravagant because we share more than more play and what than the Ghana Premier League in a more than more what than it will be United. Bobo Kurma, I mean, even in Ghana, so at the moment, one of the most consistent centre backs. I don't think more top 3 in Kofi Abisuna. See at the part of the tournament, the quality in the cast of the man. So I don't think the same 1 billion too extravagant.
Man, a contract in is Kayamupi. Who is as they do, baby? And hard drink a crab. 2 months the edge, Bebana, but 1 billion there are no idea.
It all depends. It all depends on the team now or the player. So if the woman is a player, no, and you'll be above Buanas and the quality was sure. Why not? You have to go in for such a player, and then I don't think says Kanye Sky Bros will be a club you're interested in. Kofi Abisuna interest.
Now, is that Avonyone and also communities? But also Camuso Bomudi, almost money asked for need the on command and any day when you're ready, zoom baby atum.
And not the Yamian Ukraine has and bar whom be some of us are mentioned, but the original some commodity now calling me Kofi Abisuna for no and then Avonyone has in show any further interest to some team after some of the first request in the buy.
But you know, there's a Francis channel, so Diana Stars and more did in common on a contract on the a few months and then also about a year. Now, channel so common on Sena Kwakusi, there was a baby do not on to us to be a Mumma Bichim United.
It's we can say a quite difficult situation for us, but we are trying to be manage in MAE with regards to Francis Trinidad because there's no contract that can come now. Now we are hoping, say, Corners to beat me. I try to extend their money, but there's been offers from Ghana have been sued outside the country. You go soon, Branton didn't come or say it's my try as much as possible. Say probably we maintain him with the class, but if that's not the case, we only look at the highest bidder and then the club player no come never bought the team United. So then we allow him to go because whether we like it or not. Players mean to know between United after ball, and then you become a Diaba. So we are not so worried about the departure of these kind of players.
Mate, Ima, now, Ernest Azuzi Africa, no, so age man, 23 and 20 in any day. Still, or also, I don't know so many teams in the didn't come as Obi Figana. And I feel so near Clinton duty. All last season, it is almost 2 key players and a new or more power. Almost situation it is.
Yeah, there's been offers for Clinton and Aaron. The Mitmark can say, and yet likely say, you don't want more for next season league.
Maybe a Dunama on now. Now, Mujamo more crazy, no, she anything saying. Don't send a model, my Beraza now players been a form way official.
Yeah, officially, young making confirmation on with regards to players now. You're signing on now. You say within this week, a conclude on players are on the call. Any or more the coach wants to work with them. So they finally the more team signing on the team to that. Yeah, some of the guys are promoting from the user side. Needs to be Chimana. Yeah, near top signings. They are proper player. Boarding the number. Normally we pick them from the grassroots and then we give them the platform to excel. So you go sure we said by the end of this week you bet me finalize with the name will be officially players are concluded on deals. But the bet my case we say someone say Kufa returning from loan deal in Portugal and even Kufa will be United for next season. Oh,
the only official as Kufa next season best have a booby chim no.
Yeah, and very likely say, yeah, we will see one of our legends also back in the club.
I'll guess no crowd any no crack.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, shame me head back with.
I know crowds on the money training.
Of course. On here, our background on here, he's a legend and always be. And even some are no but other clubs or Ghana Hanupuno. It's a team young started preseason. Sometimes he comes to the team and then not have one personal training. For now, he's not training with the team, but on one the personal training, the team of which I can confirm for that.
Adi, Ima, you better have the number in Chichi. Mundu de besa kaza. My girls are bored to your child. Why?
But I was very generous. That's
Etiano, Emmanuel Tuahene, JC, near corner and Cocodine Command, what churches are. Awamia. Don't you church as any moon?
I said, none here canon. And no, Susia can see be the one.
David Susibian, but
You can see be the
David and Susibian.
And it's just unfortunate and sad.
Then there's some more can
Now,
so all play
and I open 1 billion for a month. Tell me this.
Yeah.
Now you didn't come over about player contract.
Contract.
Me catch you say club be a catch player or player be. Na player na can a few months into your season as you become man. Na club na catch and so on player status committee on kwaji floating. No guys good. Yes, I'm come away.
Yes, I'm come away. But I got go interesting pa. We are kind of about to pay 1 billion.
The tennis. And yet won't mean penini na down betchem.
Oh, okay.
The boy is also desperate to leave.
So
and good. Or no feel say was some club no aye de obey bia. Ana akwenya bia anshada mba na ye concrete so obetu kwan de akwa manone. So he feels this is best chance. And club nene the way almost rating no on any so. So he sought a move outside. And one materialize it. House of Folk showed an interest. But Senator Jessica and it wasn't just us. Yaya Nations FC so con.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So initially when Has tabled their proposal to agree personal terms with the boy in a jail contract no, and it looked juicy. Met me at next in the say Sika has a day mano as a monthly salary. To say be a bechem the and wabo 9 mean 2 din. But it's like 4 times more than the Oji bechem. The other a year entitlement and our benefits are obenyano. A year way better than the winner will become throughout his stay our club in him. So he took it, but the manager catch and said he shouldn't agree to anything yet. No, almost sounds to be nations in common, which is not wrong. Nations in common is also, but the offer from nations, na a form cry if you compare to Haas and so quickly they had to revert to Haas to continue the talks. In common course, one na Haas ne person or no more formal. Into no more contacty bechem who see a be anything. But the fear bechem boy, many panel catch him and drew the 100,000 way. Debbie. Andrew, yeah. Andrew. Nipa no catch him and Andrew. But fee now, omo boy, it scared House of Folk. And it put them off because they also thought, say, one boy, he will be in a very tricky situation because bechem to me register no. O register now. What bar for you near 2 weeks and now maximum 3 weeks and obey me about amount. So what happens afterwards? The boy be frozen out for an entire season. So if you are thinking about the boy, it was so to me back from near to me negotiating near BBR, but there was that insistence from the selling club. So no so should say into own James. So has decided to seek ways so omoko off kakra. Omoko of Kakrano, they still reactivated that conversation. And now Omo advises say if need be, the boy should take it up with PFAG, Normal Franco Player Status Committee. Into Omokowa, then they settle the matter amicably. But House of Folk have always been in a position said they will want to pay compensation if need be. Among Nyama just Omo fa boy in the qua. Among fan of yeah, they understand. Said they are willing to do that. But the demands now Bechemu making, I know who say it was wrong. Send a bay a boy no so better than why a baby registration be and the Hong Kong question. He should take the matter up to the player status committee. But a moment from whom Jim na Emma may issues of tapping in now wash it now pia. The boy should contact PFAG if they are willing to take him there. Non-call.
But they all kind of no crazy on the ask for any training.
Mint me in pink country.
Allow says, I
Mint me in pink country. Mint me in pink country.
They are no cray.
Messi mint me in pink country.
I
am not in any capacity to speak officially on how the Omo and the Omo. And journalistically, I have not probed that aspect of the matter yet.
Oh, okay.
So official PR will be cheap. Is that PR will be cheap?
I use will be cheap.
But Jesse is one fine guy.
He's a solid
guy. And he's one of the guys who is really or can your mom boom. I say he Osia there. Sounds with the club a human account. And he's really branching into international languages now. Yeah. He's a solid guy.
As your Koshe Benin crab.
So a solid guy. Solid. And Tinidin but one of the finest PROs players we have. Oh yeah, Premier League.
Is Korea or BD crowd? I say only half a hit to what?
Yeah. If I tell
go yeah. Only half a hit Kakrava.
Oh yes,
we have a change.
Say.
This are players in a community in our crowd per se or more person more standing on more time because we
don't person was standing now no more de mom no musu nyintum na also musu timi kwa we nya chichina transe
also omunya ni chichira twan so omu ne omu ka na esi aga
there has a base watch agbesima no
o ka yotie
na nya sure so
na wa hebe bia adom asusu wo na he wa wo nipa Francis Trede eso ne omu awu there's no way these players there's no way coming back so you understand the situation the kind of times and seasons are then question.
But I confirm me I say Ironesa.
Yeah.
Any Clinton Diodu. Among Ghana League ni be next season.
Oh, but say utie Zico come na on the Kings TV there. Zico mentioned it. Ebi aye na ya highlight. Yeah, for just there. But Zico kai say they are en route to Amanonyomoko see a kind of a foreign club. It is good for Bechem, but they are Besima Trene no way Avonyomo Dieno. It goes on to expose another angle about your clubs, Maybe we have most prized asset our clubs are. I have not torn up a problem, Kaka. To both the players not na then almost sale value depreciating.
Yeah.
And then basically they either leave for free and answer for a lesser fee, which is a big concern because the player a big fish for club. Avonyo for consistent periods has been in the top 5 performing players for Bechem. We have Avonyo few Francis Trene, arguably. There's been links with Accra folk near the uncommon to me in CPA. But the point is that he's also been a consistent performer for the club. And some of the best players for Bechem in the last 3 seasons are Agbesima will be there, Training will be there, Avonyon will be there. But why is it that the club is struggling to sell at the right price?
Yeah.
It's because the bigger issue is there is not much money in your football economy. Your football system, Sikake Sienimua, a movie across. EPL. If EPL no Arsenal could crew £100 million at the Comma West Ham no AJ Declan Rice, there is £100 million injected into the European football system, and as the English football system. The money circulates. The West Ham bet you a club away. But hano clubs need nisiko more top players ni bebre. Kodoko assigning players. But I bet me up to this Kodoko have been able to sign players to the tune of their 500,000 cities. Has to focus signing players. Ye transfer fees no way, So the injection of cash into your football system a low. And to mean top players are boarding beyond. When Kotoko were in their prime, or most such are still anyway, we could say that there was money injected into the system, so clubs were able to purchase as well. See, I'm not careful. Very soon, your clubs need to be in top players for even up to 50,000 cities.
Yes.
Because Sikenim, Amankona should have left Brekum Chelsea for a bigger fee than the other back Kodoko. What does that about? And yet, you need your what's that in Europe? In Europe, there are times in Europe. In Europe, there are times players are sold or bought for prices. I hope you get it.
Why this guy said
exactly. Obidi say Enzo, Way, Rasmus Hoyland, the man you focus fire. Omun sa valuation no.
Bawakoto.
Yeah, because the money in the system no, and my clubs need to bebre, so they're able to afford. Bahano, any players or more quality understood. But yeah, so near the price valuation anyway, higher clubs no, they can't afford. So affordability becomes an issue. Then more and more no, my football economy is and it's a problem. We need to look at it. Say has into me top player for 70,000. Has into me top player for 100,000, for 200,000, 300,000 convincingly. Never so on top players are 4 in a season. Minimum free agents will dominate transfers for big clubs in Ghana.
That free agent from Kwan.
Free agent lower league club players and a bit dominate Abu. Then we really need to look because it is still RAS system anymore and assistance system no.
Now I was Kufu about. I Ibeche United. Confirm ya as a Kufu next season. Kufu Biggie last 2 seasons. Dr. Prosper to go player back one open up.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Michael, you see the point is that so what you're talking about, your players Sebi, you better turn aboarding because Papa never around no and also. And when you have a situation whereby the demand for players is higher, but the supply of quality is few, of course, the price shoot up. The chancellors that I mentioned, the chancellor was initially coming to Kotoko. Even moving from Olympics to House of Oak, the price was up. Because then Herbert wanted him first. And Harris Akoko beat him. That's one. 2 also is the kind of people who are involved. If you are who signing for a top or super agent beer, say we are 1 million, bet me at 10 million, or influence and control a lot of clubs and their club presidents. And now I say we are more players in the past are more distinguished or maintenance or the bar or track record also and your cry who just work with you. Aha. Yahano near Michael can is true. The bigger picture is that look, your clubs, no, the 2 clubs, biggest clubs, no Omuniska. In the past, has Kotoko and Omoma small clubs in Iska. Because Michael can 70,000. Sene has any going to meet top player in 200,000. 70,000 the name has going to go a confirm to say Liberty. If Chastela is you are talking 125,000 then Michael. Then 80,000 cash now. So there's so the Kotoko has a tapi player now. Spend 40,000 to 120. Not ene. That was them. Not ene. We are not able to buy 70. That's serious. And Michael, look, when Bafo Amankwete resident Sarusu, Erani Asani the second coming. So you would have sharing you see something, a trend. So Kotoko or MTN, Kotoko decides to move it to Tigo. Now only how much Kotoko was making. The sponsorship $3 million a year.
Wow.
Yeah. The far compare. I mean, shut up, bro. So that's why I was there now. And I also sponsor na emissary.
At that time, no.
Yes.
$3 million
from MTN to Tigo.
A year.
Yeah.
Wow.
Big. Now, Shako is back. Look, Sir Herbert, Eddie Yamport. Look, go and look at Yamport.
Top.
Oh dear. Dita Smith, $1 million. Ralph Zondik. These are the coaches that I could bring into town. And who are the coaches? Gap, no? Yeah. No, when the man say, I never confirm.
I was never there confirm. I want to a Ukraine transfer. Alex Azamobri. Alex.
Another it was 20 BB. But even Makwekwe.
Alex
Azamobri was bought over 135,000.
Yes, yes,
compare. From what yeah. Big money that time, it was big money at that time. Yeah. Alex Makwekwe. And the Ushas and look, Jesse and I have a tank of question. What's that? Forget it. Top range.
What I say,
Nti, what's a nano? Nemana coffin poto. And yeah,
the aboze. Free player be actually tia breku chess buna machila kotokole has.
Yes.
At TSC actually did.
One division, 2. Because of quality, but Ayana and time see so bones a big club. Say Real Madrid. Near say Division 2 player be in it was Spain. Real Madrid near Mary I pray. Big boys play at the big club.
Small boy of Fiteki.
Adagula.
Oboko lefty
Fino at the cost.
That is what big clubs. So media Europe, so we are in Africa. So Hamdi Fatiko, when Ali were going to buy, they bought 3 million, 3.5. Oh, only obi ampremu pa like Makekano, pa no akoplo kiawa, pa no akoplo. Enya fe no be kasa bibre. Big boys, you play big more big league are big boys. So they say now we are big boys are not in a big league. It's sad. Division 1 and Division 2 like Michael is they are good players, but Kotoko de Makandibia, those players don't play for Kotoko. Forget about generation, early generation. Get quality. The players today, no disrespect. Near or more free on nearby, near to most of them are average. Me, none of them is a Kotoko material. None. So that's the most story. What's the difference? Players owned by a total when you're wedding on that clubs in last season.
Yes.
Me what?
Yeah.
Home. What exceptional they do? One exceptional player among players I got to one. Exceptional player, me can average because all of them are average. But me what baku? It be also exceptional baku. Oba struggle. Me boy academy ba. Oba struggle.
Oba wa talk Moses ya. Are you all? Kalu.
Na Kalu is an exceptional player.
About to Kalu.
Last, oh no, please.
Kalu.
Please.
So dance.
So Kalu Korobet me $29,000.
Kalu. Oye nyame pa.
Enye nyame asem, ye can business. Fanya me to enjoy.
Bibia did that after first.
Club, I bet me akobo younger.
Wait ma.
No, he can't.
Ultimate.
No, he can't.
Ade.
His technical qualities of him.
Technical qualities, no.
Call share younger player moving from younger coin, pyramid. Me wa.
Yes.
Physical coin.
Pyramids.
All level no.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah.
What I was go India. Kwambebra. So what was them?
Now man two move for someone to me bopper. I said it before he left. I said it's a silver. Okay. Now me carry Sunny. Some continue for. I said.
It's a difficult.
Me see that because it's the Pirate, the Chiefs, Sundowns, they'll always go for this are established club like Eka Wahado. Almost need time for way. Almost a good result until corner when he thinks Stanley, forget it. And they have the money to buy. Is there a son as a Chimo? Pirates and the Chiefs almost spending $7.4 million. This transfer window to make sure say Oma Apium game. Omo Bana Wesu Onzo Omoko Beverly and Kofa player by Luka Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Luka Ribeiro 3.5. Or by own 2 goals, 1 assist.
I was not teaching a wish.
Tia the end there. Minim say I of him for Ghana football.
Oh, me dem of him ebe pa ebe
That's a big boys in the changing now.
Who vi me the Arsenal of him and say na fat trophy ba.
Ebe apostle ebe
Arsenal. No. I think that we need Ochina by say Bonaba. So he's doing very well. I'm impressed with what he's doing so far. I'm telling you. Put everything aside. Look, and now okay, mother club.
I was the man now so Ochina. Why? Ochina no cry vetting in the winner. Dabi. House training in there no dem pa.
No 11 was there.
Apostle.
Maybe so I said me.
O de be share. Why pa. Yeah, the one me akento aso.